Welcome all. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox game error code 404. So open the Hospital game. When I try to run the game, it is showing like Roblox is now loading. After that, I had a sudden error code like error code 404. So for that, we have to first check our network connection. So before that, we have to close our Roblox application. To make force close, please go to Task Manager and select the Roblox application. Uh, right click the same task. And now it is force closed. So first we have to check our network connection. For that we have to right click the network connection and go to settings. Press advanced settings option. Advanced network settings. Go to more network adapter. More network adapter. And here we are using Wi-Fi connection. So we will select Wi-Fi connection, right click the Wi-Fi connection and select the internet protocol version and enter the manual DNS code as shown in the window. Please be sure to save the settings and close. So there is no problem has detected. Now close all this window. Go to the local app data location. Enter as shown in the window. You have to search for the Roblox application folder and delete it completely. So now we will check Roblox application, the same game we had error before, cross volley. Now I'll run the game. Download and install. Yes, now you can see that our file download has started already. Press join to initiate the installation process. It may take some time actually. The download has completed. As you can see, the Roblox application is now opening. Also, installation also now started. Okay, friends, we have to wait for some time. The installation will take around 5 minutes to complete. Yeah, now it is completed. Now open the application. Open in app application. Yeah, the game has opened now. Enjoy the gaming, guys. Thank you all for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.